unboxing video from Boar Heads, Breachers, and Knives. Huge shout out to Chris, thank you so much. Man, that is small. I did not know that was that small. Nice leather cases. Great job, Chris. Cool. So he calls this little thing a Tanto. It is a little blade with a bottle opener on the end. You wrapped these up well, Chris. So a steer or bull, whatever you want to call it. And then of course the boar, gotta have a boar to go with the guy who's got a boar head. And then give me 1 second here and see if I can open this Tanto. Many people have purported that these blades are nice and sharp, so I will not try anything stupid. Shocking, I know. Yeah, it's nice and sharp. So it's just a cute little knife. I mean, it's, goodness gracious, the length of my finger. Pop bottles open with it, and you got yourself a little nice blade if you need it for cutting off your wax and stuff. Huge shout out to Chris. Thanks, Chris.